guys, it's Shirley. Today I'm going to solve this Leetcode medium problem called course schedule. So basically there are a number of num courses you have to take, leaving from 0 to num courses -1. And you are given an array of prerequisites where each element of prerequisites indicates you must take the course B before to take the course A. So return true if you finish all courses, or otherwise return false. So to start off, this problem is going to use graphs. And basically, we want to detect whether the graph has a cycle. If there is a cycle in the graph, then it's false. Cycle basically means that in order to take A, you have to take B. In order to take B, you have to take A. So I want to use topological sort to see if the graph has a cycle or not, and whether the courses can be ordered by their indegrees. So indegrees is basically the number of edges that are incoming to a certain vertex. And so yeah, I'm going to use queues to basically append the vertex to the graph, to the queue, and then order them and sort them in a topological order. So first, I'm going to construct my graph. And to do this, I'm going to use a list. And I'm going to create a hash map with the number of courses as the total number of keys. So for I is a list. This is a adjacency list. For I and num courses, I'm going to create a hash map, and then I'm going to create an array in degrees where first the degree is set to 0, and this is still going to have the number of zeros is going to be same as the number of courses. So now I'm going to loop through prerequisites, and I'm going to append the first course to the second course's value array adjacency list. So and I'm going to increment the number of incoming edges to the indegrees. So this basically constructs my adjacency list and my indegrees array. Now I'm going to create a deck, and I'm going to loop through my indegrees, if my indegrees is 0, I'm going to append the index to the queue. Now I'm going to loop through the queue. And I'm going to pop off the first element in the queue. And I'm going to create a for loop, like loop through the children of the graph vertex. And I'm going to decrement the indegrees by 1. And if it equals to 0, I'm going to append this to the queue. Well, I forgot to, I need a number that basically indicates the number of prerequisites there are. So, and then I must have another count. So if rex equals total, I return true. Otherwise, return false. So basically what this is saying is that if the number of edges equals the number of courses, then you can return true. I forgot range courses.